I wanna get lost in you. Rest underneath.
This lesson was sponsored by Manly Bands, your source for affordable wedding bands with unique styles and materials to reflect your personality. Click the link below to check out all the styles and claim your special discount offer.
Alright guys, so we're going to show you another one here. This one's a fun one, the Cuddle sway with some musicality. Alright, so again, we're starting after finishing an infinity loop, and you're going to bring your wife in. Now let her get set, and this time I'm behind her, so we're going to show you here. Notice I'm standing behind her, so instead of side to side, I'm bringing her in and I'm behind her, and like you were saying, let her get set, right?
Yes, it's really important that you're offset, so you're not kind of hiding each other here. So you're offset, and it's an awesome photo moment where you can look out at the audience and smile, hey mom, or you can look at each other, photo op. And then from here, it's really fun. When the lady is over on the left, so the man is on the left as well, he can let go of his left hand, connect with her hip, and gently send her out. And then draw her back in to find the frame.
And yeah, this is a fun part. We'll show you an example of musicality, of how you can kind of sway to based on the song. But this is just where you have fun. And again, you can do this multiple times in the dance, right? So we can start here, I can send her out, and another thing is I can bring her right back in, and then we kind of go right back to it again. So these are very interchangeable moves. But the main thing is when you bring her in, is make sure guys, like, don't rush, like let her get set, especially if she has a bigger dress. And notice how we are staggered, like she said. I'm not off side, I'm not hiding behind her, but they want to see you too. So obviously she's in front, we're showing her off, but you're the frame that's showing her off.
And one tip for the guys, I see a lot of times like a straight jacket kind of vibe here. We don't want that. Keep the hands down low by the hip bones.
Yeah, and that just provides a better connection.
Hope you found that helpful. Make sure you watch it a few times to really let it sink in, and make sure you also click the link below to check out manlybands.com and the special coupon they have for you on their already affordable wedding bands and the tons of different styles that you can go through. What I really like about them is that because they have so many styles here, you can really get something that reflects the personality for you and your relationship. So check those out, and thanks again for watching, and have a great first dance.